Sparkle Twins!
Hello friends, welcome back to the Sparkle Twins. It's me, Mariam, and today our topic is about the digestive system. Let's get started. Well, everyone knows what a stomach is, right? Well, stomach also contains acids that help break down the food, and the food will be absorbed to the rest of the body. But how? Well, that's where the digestive system comes in. There are 4 stages of digestion: ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination. Ingestion is taking in the food, basically eating. Digestion is breaking the food down. Absorption is absorbing the food. Absorption is important because it helps make the energy. And elimination is removing the waste. Okay, one thing you need to know, our mouth releases saliva. It releases saliva even when we just think about food. Okay, ingestion is when the food is brought into our mouth. Digestion actually starts from the mouth because the mouth contains saliva. And the saliva contains enzymes that helps break down the food. Okay, that was chemical digestion, when the food is broken chemically. We also have mechanical digestion, which involves the teeth to further chew or grind the food. Okay, saliva doesn't only contain enzymes. It also has buffers that helps counteract the food's acidity. And that does prevent tooth decay. And without any saliva, our tooth would be dry. Okay, the saliva moisturizes the food, and which is good because then the tongue will curl the food up into a ball and then it will fall down the pipe. Something interesting I have to tell you, and this is called the bolus. Something interesting I have to tell you. The trachea is everyone can see the trachea? It's right here. The trachea is the windpipe where we take in air through our nose. This thing over here is the epiglottis. We can see the food, the bolus, right? It's right here. This is the epiglottis. The epiglottis closes to prevent the food from falling into the windpipe. So the bolus will fall all the way down into the esophagus, which is the food pipe. Now, meet the peristalsis. It's found in the esophagus or the food pipe. This thing is very wobbly and helps the food go down, down, down all the way into the stomach. An average adult stomach can hold 2 liters of food. Okay, it's acidic in here. And this chemical digestion definitely occurs here with the other gastric juices in the stomach, which are hydrogen chloride and pepsin, which helps break down proteins. Okay, the result after the foods are broken down is called chyme. Okay, as you can see, the chyme is right up here, and the first destination of the chyme will be the small intestine. Okay, it will go. There are all 3 parts of the small intestine: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Okay, now chemical digestion occurs, and all the 4 biomolecules will be broken down. What are the 4 biomolecules? They are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. They all will be broken down by enzymes. The enzymes come from the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Okay, digestion is done. It's time for absorption. Most nutrient absorption happens in the small intestine. Okay, there are some things that can be absorbed by the small intestine, which are glucose, fructose, those are sugars, amino acids, those are building blocks of protein. It can be electrolytes, vitamins, lipids. Okay, there are a lot. So this is the lining of the small intestine. This is what it looks like. These things, outside ones, are called villi. And inside the villi themselves, there are microvilli, basically. Okay, this shape allows them to have lots of surface area and absorb nutrients. You guessed it, nutrients. Okay, now we'll move on to the large intestine, also known as colon. The large intestine is home for the harmless and beneficial bacteria. Some of these bacteria even make some of our vitamins. Okay, the major thing that the large intestine does is absorb water. Yep, it is also absorbed by the lining of the small intestine, but it's also absorbed here too. It absorbs the water and prevents it from being wasted. Okay, and the last thing is the rectum. The rectum, any waste product will go down the rectum and wait until it's released. Fact time! This is today's fact. Did you know that a platypus doesn't have a stomach? Did you? That's the end of today's video. Make sure you liked and subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!